Hey all, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, please subscribe and hit the bell notification so that way you get notified every time I upload a video. Also, if you don't mind, like the videos so that way I know you like the content I'm putting out there. Today we are going to talk about the Shark HyperAIR Fast Drying Hair Blow Dryer with IQ. I paid a total of $238.12 of my own money on this blow dryer. And throughout this video, you're going to see the unboxing, you're going to hear the description. If that seems interesting to you, just keep on watching. It's really cool looking. And when I did have the Dyson blow dryer, you know, it felt really nice and light in the hand and a little bit more balanced. But something else I didn't like about the Shark is that down here on this part had the air flow, like the air came through this part. I like that I don't have the air flowing in on the handle. You know, that's where my hand is going, so I already like this better. It comes with the Precision style. So if you want a flat, then it just clicks right on. Styling brush. Okay, so this is the 2-in-1 concentrator, is the official name. This is the styling brush. Clicks right on. Has some boar bristles and some of these harder bristles. Can't think of the name this very second. But this can be turned and moved, rotated, and locked into place. Can essentially move it any direction, and it comes off with an easy click. And just to mention, the clicking does not feel like it would be prone to breaking. You know how sometimes you have things that when they snap on, they kind of have sometimes like this cheap feeling of, you know, this snapper might end up breaking in the near future, and I don't feel that with those. So let's keep on going here. This is the attachment I'm excited for, and of course it's the Diffusing Attachment. All the videos I've seen, this thing looks awesome. It's huge, and it has the teeth that are adjustable. Right? So excited about this. Because the one with the Dyson is small, right? So that's the other thing I didn't like about it. And then I have just like a cheap little blow dryer, and its diffusing tool is super small. I did order the Black Orchid. That's like a really popular one, and it is comparable to this. Something about the Black Orchid that I don't like is the teeth on the Black Orchid. Sometimes my fine strands of hair were getting caught on the tiny little crevices within the plastic of the nozzles of these little prongs, and it was pulling my hair, and that was a bit frustrating to me. And I didn't know if anybody else was dealing with that, because nobody else in videos I've watched with the Black Orchid, they weren't saying anything about it, but I have pretty fine hair and it was getting caught. And I don't see how my hair would get caught in these prongs the way that they are made. So another win for the Shark hair dryer here. And this one too feels great. It doesn't feel like it's gonna break at all. What else? I got the basically all-inclusive package, which came with the hair dryer, the diffuser, the Air Wave, the non-slip heat mat, hair clips, and it comes with a 5-year VIP warranty. I'm gonna lay it right on there. It just keeps it still, so it's not sliding around. Great. Here are the Alligator Clips, which I already do have because I use them a lot. Ooh, wow, these are a lot better quality than the Amazon Alligator Clips. This right here, this massive looking thing is something that you can put your hair in. Look at this guy. I know, guys. I'm on a journey, okay? You know. But anyway, you put your hair in here and the wind from the blow dryer will wrap your hair around the inside. You see that there's like a pole in the center there. The hair gets wrapped around there and it gets dried in that shape. So I'm actually really interested to try this because my hair does naturally have a loose curl pattern, which is what this thing does. So it essentially is just going to help tell my curls where to go. Oh my gosh. I was doing the dishes. It's not dirty. It's dishwater. Okay. All right, so this, how's that going? I guess it doesn't click. Oh, there it did. Okay, so you just have to kind of push this together. It is a pretty honking thing that looks so weird. Wow. But it's a good seal. So I'm excited. I'm gonna turn this on because I'm really interested to hear what it even sounds like. But let's get this guy plugged in and see what we're dealing with. If you ever hear like crashing and noise behind me or around me, it's my kitties. They're just having a good time playing. Okay. This isn't gonna work either. Why? Because I need an outlet that has 3 prongs and a lot of, whoa. A lot of my electrical areas actually have extension cords because I live in a really old house, like a really old house, that the outlets on the wall, let me turn a light on, see if that helps. The outlet on the walls have the 3 prong, right? I am running around the house looking for a 3 prong and it doesn't. Okay. Wow. Yeah. Heat, fan, power button, cool shot. Okay. That's the other thing about the Dyson, that the cool shot's on the back. And when I was trying it out, I found it not super convenient, not as convenient as being on the front. Man, I really like that. Okay, ready? And I'm actually just gonna keep on talking while I turn this on so you can hear. And that's full blast. So that's the lowest speed possible. That was on high heat, or not high heat, medium heat. And I'm just going to try the cool shot here. It cools down right away. Oh, wow. That's really fast. That feels nice. So I'm going to try to do an experiment with this. Just have my basic thermometer thing from Amazon. I'm just going to make sure it's on Fahrenheit. This is on the lowest heat setting. Yeah, about 122 is the highest. I'm at 134 for the middle, medium. And this got up to 182. Again, that's not a super scientific way to measure this. But in case you were kind of curious, I know like when I'm watching videos, and especially like when people are washing their hair and they're like, oh, I rinse it with cold water. Well, what's cold water? What is the temperature that they mean when they say cold water? Because cold water to me is probably like not cold water to other people. I hate being cold. So yeah. But I am so happy with this thing. That's the other thing I wanted to mention too. The reason I was running around looking for a 3-prong open plug in my apartment is because it has such a big heavy duty cord. And it does have the, you know, protected box here at the end. And the Dyson is the 3-prong. So that's why I just assumed and then went on that little excursion running around looking for it. Right away, out of the gate, out of the box, I am so much happier with this than the Dyson blow dryer that I got earlier this year and subsequently returned pretty directly, honestly. So this attachment is called the IQ Air Wave. And something I did not mention, where's my phone? I'm recording with it. Something that I didn't mention is that the IQ part of this, when it attaches to the blow dryer, it actually has a pre-setting mode. You can change that as you want. You're not stuck with their preset modes, but it's really cool that it does that for you. And I don't need to go hunting. Let me just plug this in here. And there goes my one light. Hopefully that didn't make the lighting worse, but I'm gonna come close to you guys anyway. Okay, you ready? So this is the diffusing, and let's see what it does. Like if it does it, put this up. My dark circles are really popping out. Okay. High heat, low fan, diffusing cup attachment. Okay, so automatically when I put the diffuser on, I don't know if you can see this, but the heat went down to the first level. The fan speed stayed at low. So that's really cool that Shark knows us curly girls and wavy babies and coily queens.
I love your hair. Thank you. It's an afro.
It automatically takes it down to a low heat and a low speed because we care about our curls and our waves and our coils and we want to protect them. So that's really cool. Let's see what the other ones do. So I turned it down to low heat and low fan speed, and then I'm going to plug this on and see if it changes anything. I don't think this does. I think it's just the diffuser, but I might be wrong. Let's check it out. Okay, so no change. Woo! That did it. So that took it, oh, I forgot already. That took it to the highest heat and the highest speed because that's what you want when you are using a round brush and smoothing out your hair. That's really cool. Again, you don't have to use the presets on here, but they do it for you. Okay, so the air wave takes it up to the highest speed and the highest heat too. That's so cool. Thanks again so much for tuning in, and I hope to see you here again next time.